everyone, I am Mansy Abesamis and welcome to my pottery studio. Today I'm going to teach you basic pottery. Here are the things that you need: clay, any type will do, water, a toothpick, and to decorate your project, leaves and a cookie cutter. And of course, paint. Get your clay and turn it into a ball. And then using your thumb, poke a hole, but don't go all the way through, just halfway. Go all around it. Okay, so now we are ready to decorate it. If you don't have clay at home, then you can make your own air dry clay. You just need flour, salt, water, and vegetable oil. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. And then use your hands to turn it into a ball. Alright, so it's now ready for you to use.